Delicious fried chicken recipe. Let's make it. 2.3 pounds cut up whole chicken. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of calamansi extract or lemon juice. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Give it a good massage. Marinate for at least 2 hours. Refrigerate. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon of chicken powder or magic sarap, optional. Mix well and set aside. Two hours later. Half a cup of flour. Half a cup of cornstarch. Mix well. Lightly coat the chicken with flour and cornstarch. Ready for frying. Fry over low-medium heat until golden brown. Flip to cook the other side. Remove the chicken from the pan. Set aside. Same pan. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Sauté garlic until fragrant. Add the fried chicken. Mix well. Stir in the dry seasoning mix. Done. Bon appetit. Wow, incredibly delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.